What is up, you guys? It is me, Gameplay and Tutorials here. Today, this is another video about a Rubik's Cube. So, it's going to be a trick to show your friends, but yeah, it has to be solved. So, if you don't have a speed cube, you have to go up and then down and then to the side, and then keep doing that until it gets solved. It's about 7 or 8 times you have to do it. Right, there, done. It's fully solved. And yeah, that's all I wanted to show you. Also, shout out to Captain Comedy Humor, because he is a good friend. Just let me do this one more time. But if you guys have a speed cube, it's just middle up. But since I don't have a speed cube, the middle goes up with this side. So that's why I have to bring it back down like that. So yeah, that's literally just it. Same with the speed cube. So goodbye.